Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Maths Made Easy by Jasprit Kaur. So in this video we are going to discuss MCQs, multiple choice questions from Coordinate Geometry chapter 7 class 10th. I already discussed some questions, some MCQ questions from chapter Coordinate Geometry which we covered distance formula from question number 1 to 5. I already discussed in my previous video. Link I will share in description box. You can watch that also before doing this. So watch this video till end because we are going to finish this chapter, and each and every formula will be covered in this video. All formulas we are going to cover, we are going to discuss which type of questions may frame by using these formulas. Okay, so stay tuned with this channel, and subscribe, share with your friends, subscribe this channel and stay tuned with us, because I'm going to upload more videos with MCQs and assertion based questions and case study based questions which are coming in your first term. Okay, so let's start. So first question is, a line segment is of length 10 units. Our first question we are going to discuss here. A line segment is of 10 units if the coordinate of its one end is this one and abscissa of the other end is 10, then find the ordinate. Now you should know first what are the abscissa and ordinate. So children, abscissa meaning to say your x coordinate. So x coordinate is abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. So from other end, your y coordinate you have to find out. Abscissa is given, that is 10. Okay, so we have to find what we have to find here. Let us see. So first of all, always make a rough diagram. That will help you a lot to find out what you have to find. Okay, so rough diagram, how we have to make a line segment is of length 10 units. So I have a line segment, this one, so its length is 10 unit is given, and if the coordinate of one of its ends, that is 2 and 3 are the coordinate of one end, and abscissa means 10 is given, 10 is the x coordinate, and ordinate, that is y you have to find out. Okay, so what is given now? AB is given. AB is what? The distance of AB. So it is clear we have to apply here distance formula. So you should know what is the distance formula if x1, y1 are the coordinates of two coordinates are given. So distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and square root. This is a distance formula. Okay, so we are going to apply this formula here. You are given AB. So AB is 10 units. So here x2 and x1 is what? This is your x2. This is 2 is x1. So 10 minus 2 whole square plus y2 means y and y1 means 3. So y2 minus y1 means already minus is there. So it will be plus y plus 3 whole square is equals to what? AB. So we are applying the distance on AB. So AB is already given, so we can take it here. It is, if we are applying here, it will be AB. Okay, so now I am writing AB square. This square root I am taking that side, and AB becomes AB square, so I am taking it square. Okay, so what is here? 10 minus 2 is 8, 8 square is 64, plus we'll apply identity here, y square, 3 3 is a 9, plus 2AB, that is 6y is equals to 100. Okay, so what will be here now? Y square plus 6y, 64 plus 9 is what? 73, minus 100 is equals to 0. So now what is given? Y square plus 6y, and 100 minus 73 is what? This one, 27. Sign will be negative because 100 is a bigger number and it's a negative. Okay, so now we'll separate this and we'll make the factors. Now what are the two numbers? Here is 27. So the two numbers will be, the product of two numbers should be 27, and sum and subtraction should be 6. So 27 should be product. So 9 3s are 27 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So we can take here 9y minus 3y. Now why we are taking minus 3 and plus 9? Because we know product is negative. So one number should be positive, one number should be negative. Which number will take positive? The sign which is given with this one, 6y, the sign which is given with y coefficient, that will go with the bigger number. So bigger number is 9, 9 will be positive, other will be negative. So this is a trick how you can make, how you can separate the terms. So here now 27 is equal to 0. Take y out, y plus 9, and take 3 out, y plus 9 again. So I have now y plus 9 and y minus 3. My two factors are this one. So product of these two will be 0 only if y plus 9 will be 0 and y minus 3 will be 0. So from here what we got, y is equals to minus 9, and from here y is equals to positive 3. So what are the two values for y for ordinate? That will be minus 9 and 3. Minus 9 and 3. So we'll find out from our answer whether it will be there or no. Which choice will be there? Yeah, it is 3 and minus 9. It's B answer. Okay, this way MCQ will become. So already we discussed distance formula by different ways, like trigonometric identities by taking that also. It is given in my previous video. Link I will share in description box. You can see that also. So now come to the second question. That is question number 7. The perimeter of triangle formed by the points this, this and this is what? You have to find the perimeter. Now what is given? We are given with 3 points. So we'll make rough diagram. So here we have 3 coordinates, that is 0, 0. The other one is 1, 0. The third one is 0, 1. Okay. We have to find perimeter. So this is what A, B, C. Now children, what is the perimeter of triangle? Perimeter is what? Perimeter of any closed figure is the sum of all the sides. So here perimeter is what? AB plus BC plus CA. Perimeter is what? Any figure. The perimeter is what? Sum of all the sides. So now AB is what? AB is distance. Again we'll apply distance here, and then BC will apply BC distance, and then we'll find CA. So in short, I'm going to share this because already we discussed distance formula. So here AB is what? AB. So I have these two coordinates are given, AB. So 1 minus 0, that is 1. 1 minus 0 square. Again I'm using this formula. So 1 minus 0 whole square. So it will be 1. Okay. So we'll take here 1 plus 0 minus 0. y2 minus y1. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 0 square is what? 0. So 1 root means what? 1. So AB distance is what? 1. Okay. Then BC. BC again this coordinate and this coordinate. Then x2 minus x1 means 1. 1 square is 1 again. Then y2 minus y1 again, 1 minus 0 is what? 1. So 1 square plus 1 square, that is 2, root 2. So root 2 is BC. Then CA. CA what? 0 minus 0, that is 0. Then 1 minus 0 again is 1. 1 square is 1. 1 root is 1. So CA will be 1. So my perimeter will be 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 plus root 2. So we'll check which option is there. I think it will be D. So let us see. Option of 7th question will be, which option is there? 1 second. Yeah, it is, yes, D, 2 plus root 2. So now come to the 8th question. If A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, then the length of median through vertex C. Now this one is a different one. So we are going to discuss now. This is a different question from others. So here we have question number 8. If A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle, again we'll make rough diagram. A, B, C. So what are the coordinates for A? Coordinate of A are 2 and 2. Then B is minus 4 and 4. Then both are negative. Minus 4 and minus 4. And C is what? 5 and minus 8. These are the coordinates of, or you can say the vertices of the triangle ABC. Then the length of median through vertex C. So through vertex C is this one. Let it be a point D. Now children, what is the median? The length of median you have to find. That is, you have to find CD. Length of median. Again distance will be here, but distance here we have to find distance, no doubt. But how we'll find distance? Because we don't know the point D. What is a D? D is what? Median we are drawing from vertex C. So median is what? That median is which bisects the opposite side in two parts. Okay, if CD is a median, then it bisects AB into different parts, equal parts. So D is what? D is a midpoint of AB. So first of all, we'll find D coordinates. So D is what? Midpoint. So we'll apply here midpoint formula. So your second formula also covered in this question. So how we'll find a midpoint? Midpoint formula is what? x1 plus x2 upon 2. This is your midpoint formula to find x coordinate. So here my x coordinate is 1 minus 4 plus 2 upon 2. This is my x coordinate, and my y coordinate will be again minus 4 plus 2 upon 2. This is my d coordinates. So my d coordinates will be minus 4 plus 2 is what? 2. Minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2 is what? Minus 1. Again here minus 2 plus 2, that is again minus 2, minus 2 upon 2, that is minus 1. So my d coordinate is minus 1 and 1. Now I have to find c. C we already know. I have c coordinate is what? 5 and minus 8. We know that is given. So now we have to find CD. Again we'll apply distance, that is 5 minus 1 that is plus 1 whole square plus minus 8 minus 1 plus, that is this one. Okay, we'll take square root. So what is given here now? 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 square is 36. Now minus 8 plus 1 minus 7. Minus 7 square is 49. So what is 49 plus 36? That is 585. So we'll get 85, root 85. Okay, so let us see which option is there. 85 is there or no? Let us check. So it is there. That is the option number C. Okay, got it? So this is your third question. We already finished. Now question number 9. If 3 points this and this form an equilateral triangle, then what is the value of lambda? This is called lambda. Let us see. Now we have next question, that is question number 9. Again we'll apply distance formula here. So our next question will be 9. Again I'll give you a little hint because this is also based upon distance formula. So 3 points, like we'll make one triangle. Again we'll make little simple diagram ABC. So my coordinates will be 0 0 and 3 root 3 and then 3 and lambda. I'm just giving you now hint. So here 3 points are given. What do you have to find? Form an equilateral triangle. If this is an equilateral triangle, then what? All the sides will be equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to CA. All sides will be equal if it is a triangle. Its all sides will be equal. Okay. So now you have to find the value of lambda. Now if all sides are equal, what do you have to find? You have to find distance. First you have to find AB, then BC, then CA. Apply distance formula. You have to find lambda. So lambda is in which side? Lambda is in AC. So you will find AC, and then out of these two, any two you can find and then equate these two. Okay, then your lambda will be, you can get. So you tell me what will be the answer for this question. I am leaving for you people. Okay, then you find out and discuss with me what will be the answer for this one. Now come to 10th question. If coordinates are given, this one, ABC, are collinear, then find the value of k. Now here you are given with some coordinates k, 2k. You don't know what is the value of k. And then 3k, 3k again. And then 3 and 1 are collinear, then find the value of k. So condition is what? Collinear. So any points, like this will be A, this will be B and C. So point A, B, C will be collinear. When it will be collinear? When sum of two sides AB plus any two sides, let it be AB plus BC, is equals to third side. AB plus BC should be equal to CA. Or you can say that BC plus CA is equals to AB. Any sum of any two sides should be equal to third side. So this will be the condition for collinear. Then points will be collinear. But that condition we can apply only when all coordinates will be given. All x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 will be given. But here it is in k, and k you have to find. So we can't apply this formula here. So what will we apply here? Here we have to apply that area formula. Like we are applying to find area of triangle. That formula we can apply here, and then we can find the points are collinear. Okay, clear? So this way you can find points are collinear or not. We have to apply area formula. So as already we know, area is deleted from our portion. So that's why we can leave this question also. Otherwise, if you want to solve this question for your competitive exam, then you can solve it by using area formula. That is in your last exercise, how to find the area of triangle. That formula you can apply here. that x1 take out, inside y2 and y3, that one. If it will be is equal to 0, then all the points will be collinear. You have to make the area of triangle 0, then the points will be collinear. Okay, come to question number 11. That is very important. This type of question may come in your exam. Always it is coming if it is a theory exam, then it will become definitely. So the coordinates of the point x-axis, which are equidistant from the point 3 and this one. Now, as he is stating this statement, accordingly we will draw diagram. Rough diagram is very important. If you will draw your rough diagram, that is very easy. What you have to find, you can judge the coordinate of the point on x-axis. So now it is given points on x-axis. So x-axis ke points, what will be the points on x-axis? That is x and 0, y will be 0, which are equidistant from the point this, that it will be a and b. Now this x is equidistant from a and b. It is given like ax will be equal to bx. It is given the point x is equidistant from a and b. This distance from both points is same. Which point? Point on x-axis. So if it is point on x-axis, we'll take it x0. If that point is on y-axis, we'll take it 0y. Okay, we'll take other coordinate 0. So now it is given, this is different, that's why I'm doing now. So here this x is at equidistance from a and b. So here both distance will be equal. We'll apply distance formula. So now coordinate for a is what? -3 and 4. Coordinate for b is what? 2 and 5. Again we'll apply this is what? -3 minus x. You can see that ax, that is -3 minus x whole square plus this y coordinate now, y minus 0 whole square. Now take root here, which will be equal to bx. Bx is what? Now x coordinate, 2 minus x whole square plus 5 minus 0 whole square. Again we'll take root here. Okay, so now leave this part. Okay, so now we have a minus b whole square. So we'll apply identity here, that is 9 plus x square, then 2ab. So it will be 3 to the 6x plus 6x plus y square, which will be equal to 2 square, that is 4, plus x square minus 4x plus 25. This 5 square is 25. This root will be cancelled with this root. It will square both sides. So what is given now? What is left now? Here will be x square. This x square will go. It will be a 4. You can cut it and write 4 minus 0, because y is we are not taking, it is point on x-axis. So it is point on x-axis. So it is a 4. 3 minus x plus then 4 minus 0 of ax point. Okay, so now sorry, I am going to write it again. So 9 x square, 3 to the 6x, then not y, it is y is 4 square means 16. We can write it here 16. No y is there. So again this side 2 square plus x square minus 4x plus 25. So x square and x square we can cancel from both sides. Y is not there. Here is 16 only. So 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 6x. What is left here? 25 plus 4, 29 minus 4x. This 4 will come this side. That will be 10x. And this 25 will go that side. It will be 4. So what will be x? 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 means what? 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are. It will be 2 by 5. Okay. So it will be 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is what? Your x coordinate. So x coordinate is 2 by 5 and my x coordinate is what? That is x and 0. That is 2 by 5 and 0. So but it is not given in your option. Option what are given in option? 20 0 minus 23 0 20. So it is none of these. So your answer will be D option. You can check it by taking it back. Your answer will be D. None of these. Okay. So this way we can solve. Now come to our next question. That is question number next, that is 21 in my. The ratio in which 4 and 5 divides the join of 2, 3 and 7, 8 is what? Now here what you have to find, this is a little bit different question. So this is what? This is a section formula. The ratio in which point this divides a line joining this and this. Now you, what is given, children? You have again make one rough diagram. This is line segment. Here is one point A. Here is one point B. The ratio in which you have to find the ratio, that is m is to n you have to find. Point is what? This point is 4 and 5. That is, let it be a point P. It divides the line segment 2 and 5, and so we will write it here. We have one line segment AB, 2, 3 and 7, 8. That is a coordinate. So what is you have to find? You have to find the ratio in which 4 and 5. This 4 and 5 is what? Point P. Let it be any point. This P point divides AB in what ratio? Let the ratio will be m is to n. That ratio we have to find. Okay. So now here we are applying the section formula. Okay. Now, so what is the section formula? So now here m, I am giving you one trick. If you have to find now ratio, take this coordinate, this left right one. It will multiply with this one, the opposite side, and this m will multiply this side. It is very easy to remember. So now, so we have to find the x coordinate. Okay, we'll multiply both m and n with x only. If we have to find y coordinate, we'll multiply with y only. Now we have to find x coordinate, so it will be x. So 4, x is what? 4. Then n into 2, like 2n, plus m into 7, 7m upon sum of the ratio, m plus n. So multiplying by multiplying, you can get the value of m into n. Whenever you have to find the ratio, you can take only one coordinate. No need to take another one. So now I am going to multiply this, cross multiply. It will be 4m plus 4n is equals to 2n plus 7m. So take m and n on different side. Now here m. So 4m minus 7m, you can see that 4m minus 7m. 7m will shift that side and sign will be changed. Now here 2n, this 4n will shift on right side. So 2n minus 4n. So here I got minus 3m is equals to 2n minus 4n. We got minus 2n. Now I want ratio of m is to n. So I am going to shift m down, m upon n, and this 3 will go that side down. Okay. So this minus minus cancel. What I got? 2 by 3. So ratio m is to n is what? 2 is to 3. Okay. So this point 4 is to 5 divide a is to b in ratio 2 is to 3. So 2 is to 3 is your right answer. You can check 2 is to 3. That is option number D. So D is your answer. Come to next question. The ratio in which x-axis, yes, this is again very important question from section area, section formula. The ratio in which x-axis divides the segment joining this and this is what? Again here. So in this question, your point is given, ratio you have to find. And this one is different. Here point is given, ratio you have to find. Again we'll make one graph diagram. Then we can, it will be easy for us. So now it will be, now it's 22nd question. Yes. So ratio in which the x-axis divides the line segment. First of all, we'll draw the line segment. This is a point A, that will be 3 and 6. This is point A. Here will be point B, that is 12 and minus 3. So you have to find ratio. The ratio in which, again we have to find the ratio in which x-axis divides. Now here point is given, that is x-axis. Point is on x-axis, not direct point is given, point is on x-axis. If point is on x-axis, what are the coordinate? I already told you, x and 0. So ratio you have to find, ratio again will take m is to n. Got it? So again you have to find the ratio in which x-axis divides a line segment is what? So here again we'll apply the section. One more important thing is that now when particular point is given, like on x-axis or on y-axis, so we'll take only that coordinate in which other point is 0. We'll take the 0 coordinate. Now here we have 0 coordinate is for y. So we'll take y coordinate because it is easy for us to multiply. Take only that because we don't know x value also. So take only that where 0 is given. That y coordinate is 0. So we'll take y coordinate. We'll apply the formula for y coordinate. So our y coordinate is 0 because point is on x-axis. Okay. Again we'll multiply this left n with this right. Okay. Opposite will multiply. So now n into 6. You can say 6n plus m into minus 3. M into minus 3. You can say that minus 3m upon what? M plus n. Because we have to find the ratio. That's why we are taking 0 coordinate here. If we are taking x, then how can we find the ratio? Okay, so this 0 into something is what? 0. So right side will be 0. Here I have 6n minus 3m. Got it? So now 6n will shift this side. 6n is equals to 3m. I have to find ratio. M is to n. So we'll shift n down and 3 this side. So 6 by 3 is equals to m by n. So my ratio is what? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. That is 2 is to 1. M is to n. So this is my answer. 2 is to 1. M is to n. So my ratio is what? 2 is to 1. So 2 is to 1 is which option? It is option number A. So your A is the answer. You can check from your list. Got it? So now next question. Again, I'll give you one hint. Then you can solve it easily. Question number next 23. If the centroid of the triangle formed by the points A, B, B, C, C, A is at origin, you can check it from here. If the centroid of a triangle formed by point this. So children, you are given with points A, B and C. This is your point A and B. This is your point B and C. And here is C and A. And centroid of a triangle formed the point is at origin. So origin is what? Centroid. Now centroid is what? Centroid is what? Is the point of intersection where all the medians meet. That point is, we can say that centroid. You know, centroid is what? Centroid is the point where all the medians intersect. So that point is origin. This point, let it be a G, and it is coordinates. Its coordinates will be 0, 0 because it's given. It is origin. So then you have to prove A cube, B cube, C cube. What will be the A cube, B cube and C cube? That you have to prove. So now we know 3 coordinates of the triangle ABC. AB, BC and CA. Okay, CA. These 3 coordinates you know. We have to find the centroid. Centroid is what? Meeting all the medians. That is the 0, 0. So what is the formula for centroid? Let it be this coordinate is G. Okay, so we know centroid formula is what? How can we find G? That is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. This is a formula for G. So we'll apply this formula. All x1, x2, x3. This is your x1, x2 and x3. Will add A plus B plus C upon 3 is what? 0. 0 is given. That is origin. So A plus B plus C is 0. Now children, this is identity. Already you did in polynomials. So if A plus B plus C is 0, then what? Then what? Then formula is there. One identity is there. Then identity kya hai? A cube plus B cube plus C cube is what? 3ABC. This is the identity what we are applying it here. Okay. Let us check it in your answer. Then A cube, B cube, C cube is what? 3ABC. This is the identity. It applies when A plus B plus C is 0. Then we can apply this identity. Now we got A plus B plus 0. Then this answer will be 3ABC. So D is your option. Got it? So its answer will be D. Yes. Now come to next question. Again, we already discussed in our previous section. That is question number 9. We already discussed. Not 9, 10 question. Before doing this 10th question, I already discussed the 3 points, this and this are collinear. So if they are in place of A, let it be any point 2, then you can apply that formula. Sum of any 2 sides will be equal to third side. Then the points will be collinear. Now if no point is there, anything you have to find out, like it will be a x, it will be lambda, it will be A. Then you have to apply only the area of a triangle and it should be 0. If the points are collinear, the area will be 0. That formula you have to apply here and you can find points collinear. Because that area is not coming, that's why we can leave this question. Otherwise, if A is not there, coordinate is there, then you have to apply that condition. Sum of any 2 sides will be equal to third side. That will be a condition for collinear points. Now come to next question. If the centroid of a triangle formed by this is at 6, 3, then xy is what? Again we'll apply here this formula. Easy. Let us check it. Yeah. Question number next, that is 25 with me. The centroid of a triangle formed by, I have one triangle, that is its coordinate are 7x, then y minus 6, then 9 and 10. These are the coordinates. That it will be A, B and C. Here will be C. Okay, so these are the coordinates of the triangle, and formed, that centroid is formed by this triangle, that is G coordinate. Let it be a G. This is G. I am writing side here. That coordinate of G are, it is given, that is 6 and 3. It is given. G is centroid. It is given 6 and 3. You have to find x and y. Then what is x and y? X and y are these coordinates that you have to find. Again, we'll apply this centroid formula. So centroid, how can we find this G? So G is what? Like x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 for x coordinate. So its x coordinate is what? 6. So 6 is what? x1, 7 plus y plus 9 upon 3. This is your x coordinate. So here 6 3s are 18. 18, 9 plus 7 is 16. 9, 16 minus 1, then it is y. It will be 2. So your y coordinate is 2. Now we can find y coordinate. That is x plus minus 6 plus 10 upon 3 is equals to y coordinate. Its y coordinate is 3. So x minus 6 plus 10 is what? 9. So x is what? 10 minus 6 is what? 4. Then 9 minus 4, that is 5. So your x is 5. So you have to find x and y. So your x and y, let us check. 5 and 4. That is option number B. X and y coordinate we have to find 5 and 2. So your D is answer. It's D. You can check it from your list. It is D. 5 and 2 because our y coordinate is 2. Got it? So now come to next question. That is question number next 26. Now the distance of a point 4 and 7. Let us check here. So distance of the point 4 and 7. See, this was the answer. So distance of point 4 and 7 from x-axis. So let it be here. This is your x-axis and here will be y-axis. So what is you have to find the distance of the point 4, 7 from x-axis. Let here is any point 4 and 7. So distance of this point, let it be point P from x-axis. This is your x-axis. So if you have to find a distance from x-axis, you have to check the y coordinate. It will be this, will move upside. So your y coordinate is here 7. So distance from x-axis is 7. Now if it is talking about distance of the point, this one from y-axis, again we'll draw it here. This is your y, this is your x. So here is one point P. Now he's talking about the distance from y-axis. So y-axis means this distance. So this distance means will move x coordinate. So your x coordinate from here is 4. So your answer will be 4. So this is your answer. Next number, question number 27 is answer is 4. A option is there. So this way children you can find, you can apply all the formula. Almost we covered all formulas in this chapter. Some questions like distance formula, some are section formula, midpoint formula, and then how to find a centroid. So related all topics we covered in this MCQ section. So I hope you understood today's lecture. In case you feel any difficulty, some questions I left, like 2 questions I left for you, solve it and discuss with me. If you don't know, just write in comment box, I'll solve that also. And previous questions 1 to 5 question already in first video, in previous video, link will be there in description box. You can check it there. So be in touch with us because I'm going to upload next video from next chapter. All chapters from what are covering in term 1 in your November-December exam. I'm going to upload all the chapters MCQ test and assertion based questions and study based questions. So stay tuned with us, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.